Alright guys, so here it is. I've got my Deebot 8 N8 Pro Plus robot vacuum and mop cleaner. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna set it up, and then we'll go from there. Alright, let's open this up. Wow, another box. This thing is heavy. Okay, put that to the side. Deebot. Ecovacs. Wow, so we're sealed properly here. There's another box inside. Okay, so this is the last box inside the box. Let's take this out. Okay, there we are. Now we got a picture of the vacuum here. Okay, let's open another box. Alright, so there's a lot of boxes inside this box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got the vacuum container over here. So let's grab all of them out. And here is the station. All right. Okay, so here is the station dock. Alright, let's open the other boxes here. This one here, you've got your mop, extra mops, disposable, the washable mop, and of course you've got the spinner on the front. And this one here is the Deebot. Okay, check that out. So I read a lot of negative reviews on this product, and whoa, look at this. Where's their leak? There's an oil leak down here. What the heck? So let's check it out if this thing is brand new, because a lot of the customers out there returned it because they were complaining that the vacuum is not functioning well. So far it looks like it's pretty brand new. Okay, there she is. Put that to the side. And there's nothing else there. Okay, I'm gonna set them up and then we'll get back and show you guys how this thing works. Where is the cable? Cable. Okay, we've got the power cable here. Okay, though. So we'll fix the cable later. Let's grab the robot. Attach all the brusher on the front. Okay, so let's attach this. Look at that, guys. The brush is already bent when it was packed. That's not good. Okay. All right. Oops, that thing fell off. Okay. So let's open this up. Let's peel the wrapper here. Remove all this tab or arrows. Let's pull them out. Okay, so you've got your instruction manual here, quick guide. And there it is. Storage bin. All right, let's put this on here. Okay. There you go. Where's my app? You got that turned on there. Deebot N8 Pro Plus. We'll press next. English. Okay. Please turn on continuous cleaning to ensure that everything. Okay, then you have the time here, do not disturb. And you've got a map. Create a map. Okay, open doors and tidy up. Check Deebot and charging dock. Avoid disturbing Deebot.
Starting cleaning.
Oh boy, it's gonna start now. I thought it's gonna charge. There she goes, guys. Oh boy. Oh fuck. Just mapping things up. The front, you see it?
That glass?
Or maybe it's in the back.
Will it go on carpet?
Yeah. Oh, I could go through down there in the chair.
No. Did that go there, will it?
It's one of the quiet vacuum too.
That's good.
Yeah, that's crazy technology, man. Hmm? It's showing the map. It's gonna map it up and then it knows the routine next time. It's just mapping right now.
Mapping and picking it up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going back and forth now.
Yeah.
That's crazy technology, man.
Seriously, yeah. Where does the dirt store? In the front?
I think in the middle, I can't remember. Then it's gonna go back to whatever. When it's almost dead, the battery will go back.
Oh, it charges.
Yeah, automatic will go back its own on its
So
own.
would it manage to finish vacuuming like a floor?
This, yeah. If it doesn't finish, then it'll charge and then it'll continue back to where it left off.
Oh, okay. So how long is the battery good for?
An hour or something.
But it just keeps moving like that.
Yeah, to pick up all the shit.
That's crazy. It's like a little toy, not
Yeah.
like
Helper,
like a little
nanny.
helper. Yeah.
The new version, it's got the mopping thingy that wiggles. It actually brushes. But I don't know, it's not even out yet.
Starting charging. Emptying the dustbin.